Hello everyone, let's start how to upload photo on Google Drive. Go to the left hand side and here you can see the plus sign to add new. Just click on it and click on the second option, file upload. And here select your photo from your laptop. So I select here the picture folder. In picture I select the one photo, dog photo, and then click on open. That's it. Here you can see the one dialog box is open. Upload option. Replace existing file or keep both file. So I just select the keep both file and click on the upload because the same name file is already available in your Google Drive. Therefore, is showing this pop-up message. Okay. You can read here. See, doc to JPG already exist in this location. Do you want to replace the existing file with the new version or keep both file? Okay, so I select here keep both file. I just click on upload and that's it. The right hand side you can see uploading the your photo, and I simply click on the file location, simply double click on this folder icon, and here your uploaded photo showing. Okay, I double click on to open this and that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, subscribe. Thank you.